Roll the clip.
Come on in real quick, please.
On November 24th, 2023, officers were dispatched to investigate ongoing employee theft at a local Walmart. Upon arrival, the manager provided evidence of 5 separate occasions where the employee stole varying amounts of money.
Okay, you can fix your pants. And you could have a seat right here.
I didn't take anything. I have my own money.
Okay. Well, I mean, it's on camera.
Can I see for myself? Please?
I'm going to show you the pictures just to show.
Oh, that's fine.
There's a camera like literally right above
I know that, of course.
So here's the times that I guess you were taking it the other days, right? The other days? Okay.
I can't see nothing. I see me taking money out. Stuff though, what y'all
Okay, right now you're in
mean?
custody, okay? So I need you to get your stuff out. Alright, just write the statement. That's fine.
Like, this is my stuff I bought with my money. Why
Okay,
can't I
so
put it
then
back
write
in
that
my-
on the statement.
I
so that
am.
we can- okay, you don't need to yell at me. Do what they're
I'm
told
grown
you
as
to do.
hell. Don't talk to me how I'm not talking to you. I'm talking
Okay,
to you.
right now you're still at work, so you're
Done
good.
Wow.
video, taking money from the registers and putting it in your
So
vest
that's
pocket.
what y'all seen,
Okay,
and that's what I didn't do.
okay. Well, it's on video.
Okay, I want
It's
to
on
see a video.
Well, I'm telling you. I'm telling you it's on video.
Okay, it's okay. I don't want to write no statement.
You want to put it on there, you don't want to write no statement, then you can put it next
I
in
don't
there.
want to write no statement.
Well, then you're gonna initial it. I don't come here just to look at videos.
So what y'all finna do?
Arrest you.
Arrest me?
Yeah, so you're gonna do what they told you to do is get back on
Why is
the
y'all arresting me?
Because you're under arrest for stealing.
I didn't steal anything.
Okay, just take off your vest so then we can get out of here.
Okay, can I go home? I didn't steal
No,
shit.
you're
Like,
not
I'm not even from out here.
Can you work on it?
Yo, don't touch me. I gotta get my shit. I gotta get my stuff. Oh, I'm not even from out here. I did not steal anything. Okay.
Yo, what's going on, my good people? Welcome back to Roll the Clip TV. I am your host, Roberto. I just want to go on record, fam, to tell y'all Walmart ain't playing no games no more. Walmart ain't playing no games no more. A couple of months ago, the CEO of Walmart said that if they cannot crack down on shoplifting, that he was going to start shutting stores down. I want to take y'all back a couple of months. Let's go back in time for a minute. Let me get my time music. Y'all remember during COVID? Everybody had their mask on. You had to stand 6 feet away from everybody. You were scared to touch everybody. You were walking through Walmart and through the supermarket like everybody had some kind of disease that was going to jump off on them. That's what we thought about COVID when COVID first came out. Y'all remember that time period? What I remember most about that time period, my brothers and sisters, that as I walked through the Walmart aisles, the prices were amazing. Now, maybe the prices weren't that amazing. Maybe we just all had a lot of money because we was getting that stimulus money. Maybe. But I remember that time. Actually, the prices were a hell of a lot better than what they are now, because I remember one of the brands of coffee that my wife and I like to buy. I shared this before. It was like $2.98 back then, or $2 and some change back then, and now it's almost $4. So Walmart has increased their prices to combat the shoplifting. I came on record. I just want to tell y'all, brothers and sisters, that Walmart's not playing today. This young lady thought. She said she wasn't from the area, so maybe it was her hustle. Maybe she just go into a small town, work for Walmart for a little while, get that cash, and she dips out. Maybe that was her hustle. I don't know. I'm speculating, my brothers and sisters, because she said she wasn't from that town. Nevertheless, Walmart had her on camera, and they caught her several different times dipping in that money. I just want to say this. Now, I am in Walmart quite often with the company that I work for. And I want to tell you that the Walmart cameras are designed to follow you now down the aisle. So I'm telling you, my brothers and sisters, somebody is in the control. See, back in the during the COVID, the reason I brought up COVID because back then they had a little bit of security, but it wasn't as intricate as it is today. If you notice across America, they are calling it Walmart refresh. That's the political term, Walmart refresh. They're calling it a refresh, but it's not really a refresh. They are putting in new cameras that will follow your ass up and down the aisles, and the cameras are so good that it can watch your finger bend like that and know exactly what that finger is doing. I know because I see it on a day-to-day basis. So I wanted to tell y'all to please be careful. See, back in the day during the COVID days, the reason why I brought that up, that, back in the day, I had some associates that used to go to Walmart. They were a little bit tight on change, and you scan one thing, you put two things in the bag. I'm not saying I'm not condoning it, and I'm not saying it was right or wrong. All I'm saying, it happened. Nowadays, I don't know if y'all noticed, but the cameras are a little bit better, and you're not able to do that no more. My brothers and sisters, when my wife and I relocated from New Jersey down to the A, I was in a Walmart one day picking up some dog. I think it was a flea collar. And my man worked at Walmart. Looked like he was from Florida because he had the big, thick dreads, and he had a very harsh Southern accent that was even a little bit harsher than what Georgia can offer us, my brothers and sisters. And as I was looking through the flea collar aisle, I said, damn, this is expensive. My man looked at me and my man said, he said, everything here is expensive. That's why I get a 5-finger discount every chance I get. Now, my man was employed by Walmart. I had not seen that young man in over a year and a half. Don't know what happened. Don't know if he moved on. Don't know if he got caught up. I don't know, my brothers. This all I'm saying is that when we talk about Walmart cracking down, they are going to start from the inside out. Because I'm going to say this to you. Beyond the shoplifting of the people who are struggling and walking to Walmart and throwing some stuff in a bag or put it under their coats and walking out of the store with TVs and lawnmowers and everything else that Walmart can handle, Walmart is checking out their employees. Like this young lady here. She had a couple of dollars. She put it in her coat. She thought she could hide it from the camera. But this camera is almost X-ray vision, my brothers and sisters. You are not going to get away from this camera anyway. I'm not going to prolong this video. I think you get my point. I want my brothers and sisters to stay safe because, listen, it's taking us everything we got to get up every single day, to put food on our table, and we don't need the added stress of somebody putting those stainless steel bracelets on us, my brothers and sisters. So I'm just telling you, y'all be mindful, be careful. This young lady's learning a valuable lesson, and she was shocked. See, people have been playing around with Walmart. People have been saying, they think that because the old school Walmart was if you steal something to kick you out of the store, they're going to ban you. That is no longer in effect anymore. Walmart has hired security guards, and in a lot of the inner cities, they have the police department staff in the security office every single day. I know because I see it. I'm warning you guys. I see it every single day. So back in the day, Walmart had their own security system, and they would chase you out the store, and they would just put your picture up, and they would ban you. They are no longer doing it. This young lady had a lesson. This young lady learned straight away when the cop said to her, we're about to take you to jail. She lost her everlasting mind. Why? Because she played this game before. She probably got caught before, and Walmart said, look, get out the store, don't come back here. And she was washed her hands. That's why she was so calm in the beginning. That's why she was so honest in the beginning. She thought she was going to walk in the store, but they're not playing games no more. The CEO said, you know what, it's time to crack down, and Walmart is cracking down. So my brothers and sisters, y'all be safe out there. Thank y'all for checking out this video. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.